What is up, everyone? In the last couple of videos, I told you why we were buying Bitcoin, why we were long SandP500, NASDAQ, and Dow Jones from a week ago. And in this video, we're going to dive in further, looking into the markets, what to expect this upcoming month. Now, since tomorrow is June 1st, I thought it's a good idea to take a look at how we did in our signals on APEXBULL.com with Bitcoin and SandP500, NASDAQ, and all the Forex and gold pairs trading in our VIP signals. So for crypto, we were trading Bitcoin and we made about 10,000 points, meaning $10,000, no leverage on one Bitcoin contract. And we made 3,000 something pips on Forex trading currencies, indices, commodities. So it's been a very volatile month for Forex, obviously for everything, with the up-down price action every other week. Been very interesting. And well, if you're interested in having a good month of June, more than welcome to stop by APEXBULL.com to check out all our stuff, and or follow us here on YouTube, where I give all these trades for free and explain as to why I take them. In any case, if you like the channel, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and this will help us grow. If you find this information useful, Algo will pick it up as well if you like it and subscribe to it, etc. So other people can find it as well. In any case, let's dive in. Let's take a look at all the markets, what to expect in this summer months, what our positions are doing right now. Let's dive in. All right, let's start with S&P 500. So as you know, we've been making videos and telling you to get long all the way from here. And we've been absolutely dead on, spot on. So what am I looking at right now? For S&P 500 and other indices, basically we took out a major resistance. Well, previous support turned resistance, we blast through it, and now we're consolidating above it, which is a good sign. So as long as I don't have a daily close below 4,100, if I see a daily close below 4,100, I'm going to change my stance to back to bearish. But for now, we're still in the bullish mode. We haven't even crossed as you can see, our momentum indicator is showing we haven't even crossed into the bullish mode yet. So like in this previous bear market rally here, I think we still have some room to go up before we roll over for more downside. So what am I looking at right now in the short-term time frame? Well, let me actually go. So on a 1 hour, basically at this point, I am just looking at this. Let me extend it. This is pretty much looking like a very like a bull flag to me. So if we start closing above 4170 level, I think that with the bullish continuation has some room to go. So we can definitely target the 618 at 43.25. So similar situation with the NASDAQ. Same thing, same exact thing, except we're stalling at the previous support, now turn resistance. We closed above it. We've been chopping about, well, very, very powerful rise from the lows, obviously. And so this is just a little bit of a pullback into this previous swing high. As you can see, we've probed it on the 4-hour basis. As you can see, we probed it and closed above it. So once we take out these candles highs, if we do, I think we have a bullish continuation. Same thing with US30. Yeah. So, wow, this played out dead on. I drew this when we were here. This is pretty cool. This is just spot on, brilliant, right? To the pip. Anyway, so definitely more upside. I think we're going to be retracing to 34,000 here retesting these highs. As you can see, you can actually extend it like this. So this was support, turn resistance, retest, couldn't close above it. Sellers came in at these levels, sold it. So I think that's where we're going. We're going to retest 34, around 34,100 maybe. So anyway, 1,000 points in Dow Jones US 30, nothing to sneeze at. So definitely good. Again, let's see a 4 hour, at least a 1 hour close above these levels, and your stops will be below here. So that's indices. Let's take a look at crypto. In crypto, I was telling why we should be buying here. The low, as we probed below, we basically stepped out weak longs. Then I said when we were here, we're gonna do the same now to weak shorts. We did that, and above these two levels, and now we're consolidating on top, which is still a bullish sign. We're long. We're targeting 33 and change. So the algo is. So 38.2 comes in at 34,000. I think that's a very achievable goal of this leg down. 38.2 comes in right here. Definitely a good, there is still room to go for upside if the risk recovers. Now, interesting. Wow, this is getting very interesting with the with ETH. With ETH, I basically made a post saying the same thing on a weekly. We were I said that we had 8 weeks of sell-off. It's time for a bounce because this is a very good support level. At least the relief bounce is in the cards, and then we probably can retest. This is a good level right here, actually. Let's drop down to daily. So, as you can see, well, we've been here already. So, I think once we have a close above this trend line here, 38.2 comes in all the way at 2,400. I think that's what's in store for us as well. Because if we take out these highs here, that's essentially a double bottom, and then it's going to target 50% retracement here. So also, Ethereum is due for a rally. Bad news for gold. Gold is not looking good. It looks like it's going to go down. Why? Well, basically today, Powell and Biden, they had a meeting, and Biden obviously said, shit, I'm getting killed for midterms. You got to do something about this inflation yet again. So they basically said, yeah, we're going to, since the economy is strong, we're going to keep raising interest rates. So, which gold being the hedge against inflation, that kind of markets are pricing in the fact that higher interest rates will actually kill the inflation. Thus, the hedge for gold is not necessary anymore. So the positions are getting unwound, and I think that this is the line in the sand for me. If we take out, basically, if we have a close below, see this previous order block here. So if we take out the 38.24 level close below it, I think that means we're going to retest the lows and probably start drifting even lower towards this weekly trend line here around 1,700. So that's the news for gold. Volatility went down today. What else are we looking at? Oh, dollar. So the dollar is back at the breakout of this channel. I still think there is room to go for in this correction. Actually, let's do some fibs. So wow, this is dead on at 50% retracement. So maybe we'll go a little further down, but this is one massive leg down as well. So it's getting a little long in the tooth. So I think that so you got to start being careful with dollar shorts, because I think this can easily rally up and then go back down. So I still have New Zealand long left that I think that Wow. Yeah. So this was my target for inverted head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder, and this was the neckline, this neckline, and this was the target. So we went slightly above it and rolled over into the channel support. So, and now we're going back up. So I think maybe we still have room to go. As you can see, this it loves the break of the trend lines. So we just had a bullish breakout again. So you can go long right now at the market, put your stop either below here or here, and enjoy the ride at least to these highs or probably higher. So because like I said, on the this was one swift move down, and now it's being corrected. So I think we did a 38.2. Maybe we'll get lucky because look at this, all this space here. Usually prices like to close inefficient pricing like this. So 618 right here at 67.20 probably is where we're going to retest this support zone here. So like I said, easy on the dollar. S&P, NASDAQ, US still has room to correct upwards before more downside to come in the summer months. So gold not looking healthy. In any case, if you like the content, please like, subscribe, leave us a comment. Always welcome to stop by our free Telegram group to discuss all of this. We're there 24/7 talking markets. Hope it helps. Enjoy.